all requested to see how Matt makes his green bean casserole for a 9x13 size pan. I'm gonna turn you around and he's gonna show you his method of how he does this.
In my pan so far, I have 3 cans of cream of mushroom soup. And to that, I'm going to add half a can of milk. I'm going to go ahead and mix that together. That way it mixes with the green beans fairly easily. I've also went ahead and added pepper to this, because green bean casserole just isn't the same without pepper. Here is the step that I like a lot. So one of the things that I like to do with my green bean casserole is I will take and add my onions, half the can of onions, to my green bean casserole mix. It doesn't have to be precise. That's about half. So I'll go ahead and add those in now. Alright, so now those are mixed in. Now I will add my green beans. So here we have our 3 cans of cream of mushroom soup, half of our can of onions, pepper, and 5 cans of green beans. I've learned that that's what will fill the, oh, and half a can of milk mixed into the soup. And I've learned that was what will fill a 9x13. So that's pretty well mixed. At this point, what we'll do is we'll put it in the oven for, we'll put it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. And then after that, we'll pull it out, put the rest of the onions on it, on the top, and then bake it for another 5 minutes to brown the onions.
That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.